All right, students, you're gonna have to take some notes real quick. I apologize, I had to leave, but I'm going to copy down some notes real quick for you. You're gonna have to take these notes, put them in your journal. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to divide the unit fractions by whole numbers. All right, and it's very similar to what you were doing yesterday. The only difference is your answers are not going to be whole numbers, but they're going to be fractions. Okay, make sure you pay attention to that because it is going to be a little different. I promise you, both answers are going to be on the test, but it's up to you to choose the right one. So I'm going to read the scenario to you, and this scenario is about a young man by the name of Nolan. Nolan gives some pans of brownies to 3 of his friends to share equally. All right, if Nolan has 3 pans to share with 3 friends, that is easy. We can just take 3 and divide it by 3. And we know that if Nolan has 3 pans to divide among 3 friends, then he's going to give 1 pan to each one of his friends. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. But what if Nolan wanted to take 1/2 of a pan of brownies and divide it among 3 friends? Looks different because your whole is not 3. Your whole is going to be 1. All right, 1 pan is going to be your whole, and we have to represent 1/2. All right, I'm just checking the camera to make sure y'all can see everything. Good. So you're going to take your whole 1 pan and you're going to represent 1/2. 1/2. Now he's taking this 1/2 and he's dividing it or splitting it equal with 3 friends. So we're going to take this half and we're going to split it into thirds. This is what each friend is getting. This is what each friend is getting. In order to figure that out, you've got to partition the entire pan into thirds. Don't forget to make up a fraction. Your denominator represents your whole, or how many pieces your whole is cut into. So you count how many pieces, which is 6, that becomes your denominator. And this piece, the piece that the friend is getting, is your numerator, 1/6. Notice if you number each piece, when you get to the end of your half, 3/6 is equivalent to 1/2. Also, I want you to keep in mind, all right, that what you're actually trying to figure out is what 1/3 of 1/2 is, because 1/3 of 1/2 is what's going to each friend. Okay? Now 1/3 plus 1/2, 1/3 of 1/2. Multiplication of fractions is very easy. Now I want you to write this in your journal. Multiply straight across, exclamation mark, because you're going to multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 2 is 6. Took my 1/2, divided it among 3 friends, I'm looking for 1/3 of 1/2, and that gives me 1/6. All right, everybody understand that? One more example, real quick. All right, what if instead of 1/2 of a pan of brownies, Nolan wanted to share 1/3 of a pan of brownies? Same thing. You've got to start with your whole. This time, we're going to split our whole. This is one pan. We're going to split it into 3 units because we have to represent 1/3. Y'all stay with me. Hang there just a moment. Now we're going to take that 1/3 and we're going to divide that 1/3 into 3 pieces for each friend. This is how much each friend is going to get. In order to figure that out, we've got to take our entire pan and split it into thirds. And the total number of pieces, which is 9, becomes our denominator. And the 1 piece that his friend is going to get, that each friend is going to get, is going to be the numerator. And that is 1/9, that's 2 ninths. And that is 3/9 of 1 pan of brownies. 3/9 is equivalent to 1/3. Everybody understand that? Again, what you're seeing is you're looking for 1/3 of 1/3. And you're just going to multiply straight across. 1/3 of 1/3 equals 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. All right, complete the Zern. If you have not completed lesson 25 and 26, you need to complete it before you go home today. And I'll be sending your workbooks down into the library with you. All right, y'all have a good day.